And why is any of this important anyways? Because even the smallest decisions that we make can have outsized impact. One of my favorite examples of this has to do with air conditioning systems. So I'm sure everybody is familiar working in an office, and you might be, this image here might be recognizable to you. A lot of women are often really cold at work, right? And they're already bundled up. All the women right now are like, yeah. And the reason for this, let's do a quick test here. Anybody here a 40-year-old man? Put your hand up if you're a 40-year-old man, nice and tall. Okay, now keep it up. Keep that hand up if you're a 40-year-old man and you weigh about 70 kilograms, 154 pounds. Anybody? Is there anybody in here? Okay, we have one winner. One winner, congratulations, because the equation for most HVAC systems around the world is still based on a 1960s equation for a 70-kilogram, 40-year-old man wearing a suit in an office. Right? And you might say, okay, well, we could create warmer zones or cooler zones or give people personal heating or cooling devices. But still, that's assuming that we're solving for the human only, right? We only need to have empathy for the people there. And the reality, right, is that maybe we need to have responsibility for the larger landscape of taking care of even the Earth at the most highest level. And so we shouldn't be solving for the humans at all. It's a complicated landscape. There's give and take, and we have to be intentional with our decisions because they have lasting impact.